Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I will show you how to install Gmic in Gimp quickly and easily, so you can start using powerful filters and effects right away. Step 1. Open Gimp and check your Filters menu to see if the Gmic plugin is already installed. If you don't see it, go to the official Gmic website to download it. You can choose between the zip archive or the executable file, and downloading the executable is the easiest method for Windows users. Step 2. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation. Change the language to English if needed, and follow the prompts to install the plugin. This step is important because the plugin needs to be correctly installed to work inside Gimp. Step 3. After the installation is complete, close Gimp completely. Restarting Gimp is necessary so it can detect the newly installed Gmic plugin. Without restarting, the plugin won't appear in the Filters menu. Step 4. Open Gimp again and navigate to Filters, then look for Gmic. You should see it listed there now, which means the installation was successful. This plugin gives you access to hundreds of creative filters and tools for your images. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tutorials.